I hear the beat, it's in my chest, got me feeling some kind of way. I confess the rhythm takes over, no room to rest. My heart's dancing, it's a love conquest. Oh, the melody, it's smooth and sweet, like honey dripping from a golden beat. It's the soundtrack to my soul's heat, making me move from my head to my feet, my heartbeat.
Hey, you. Where are your glasses? Come here.
Toto, Daddy. Stay inside our room.
Come here, silly girl. Okay. Look it. Look. Just for you. Better?
We're going to the pool.
Okay.
Bye, Mom.
Bye, hon.
Some of these are dirty, aren't they?
I just washed them.
Mommy.
Pretty. Mwah. I'm gonna miss you. Wow. Bye. Is that what you're gonna wear? Is that what you're gonna wear? Wow, sweet.
Goofy, put this on.
Hi guys. Isa lang ako dito. Nag-swimming yung dalawa. Mag-workout sana ako today. Pero sabi ng allergic rhinitis ko, hindi. So, biglang sumama yung pakiramdam ko. Sakit ang ulo ko. Tapos, sipon ko. So, hindi ako natuloy. And it's lunchtime. Kakain ako kasi coffee lang ako kanina. Tapos, hindi ko na kinaya. Sakit ang ulo ko. I cooked tinola last night. So, initin ko lang. Gusto ko ng sabaw. Tira namin from last night. Favorite ni Kali, sayote. Malaking kuta. Natin si Kali kasi favorite nito. Meron kang allergic rhinitis. Meron ka na rin migraine, no? Joint causes. Alam nyo ba guys, kapag sinusumbong ako ng allergic rhinitis ko, is umaabot siya ng buong araw kahit na uminom na ako ng antihistamine. Hindi siya effective sa akin. Buong mukha ko is in pain. Sumasakit talaga siya. Tapos, sakit ang ulo ko. Right now, pasimula pa lang to, guys. Nandun pa lang tayo sa level 1. Pero, pupunta siya sa, hopefully mabait ang panahon. Gloomy kasi, guys. Tingnan nyo, oh. Pag nagbabago talaga ang weather, kita nyo ba? Sobrang gloomy. Hindi lang kita sa camera. Pero pag nagbabago talaga yung panahon ng biglaan, doon ako sure na magkakaroon ng allergic rhinitis. Tapos, nagtupi ako kanina. Ito, ang number 1 cause ng aking allergic rhinitis is yung mga lint. Alam niyo yung sa damit, tapos, di ba parang may, yan, mga lint, ganyan. Ano ba tawag na sa Tagalog? Mga sobrang sinulit. Basta yun ang aking number 1 number 1 na katunggali. Kaya, mainit. Muntik na ako maglinis ng mga bagay-bagay. Ay nako guys. Ano ba guys, sobrang thankful ko sa husband ko kasi kapag masama yung pag masama yung pakaramdam ko or kailangan ko ng masyado ako na-overwhelm sa mga pangyayari is kinukuha niya si Kali sa akin or nilalabas niya ng bahay para magkaroon ako ng time na magpahinga. At ayaw naman yung lumabas. Nalalabas niya si Kali. Nag-ayaw si Kali mag-swimming. Sinama niya. Sumama siya. Nilabas niya si Kali. Kasi nga, bigla akong inatake ng aking allergic rhinitis. Walang nakakapigil sa allergic rhinitis ko. May ganito talaga akong mga thrice a month. Ganun. Kaya nasaan kami? Anyway, kainin ko lang ito. This is our dinner.
Okay, baby.
That's our view. This is the chef. Dinner. Dinner. It's ganda.
I look like Arios. You want to jump in?
No.
You want to jump in, Mom?
What?
Jump in.
I'm okay.
Jump in, Mom. Jump in, please.
No, I don't have swimsuit like you.
Oh.
Good morning. Crazy kid. Good morning, everyone. It's a good morning. Is it a good morning? It is a good morning. Today is a good day to have a good day.
Bum.
It doesn't look like a bum. We're making coffee. Dad? Coffee? Making coffee for... Oh, no. We're not making coffee. Breakfast for Bumbi. There's a reason why I have to start with guys first. Hindi ako nakapag-video kahapon kasi talaga nagtagumpay yung allergic rhinitis ko. Hindi ko alam bakit hindi ko kasi hindi naman kailangan kumukulog bago ilagay yung kain. Yung hulog. Lahat po nagtatanong kung okay lang po kami. Thank you dun sa mga tao na nagbe-message sa akin at nagtatanong kung kamusta na kami, ganito, ganyan. I appreciate you guys so much. We're okay. I mean, like, I don't have a choice but to be okay. No, Sabi nga nila, diba? There's no sense crying over spilled milk. And we're just trying to be positive because that's the only thing we can do. May mga nagsasabi na bakit daw kami umalis sa bahay na yun. Sayang naman daw, ganyan-ganyan. Guys, yung bahay kasi na yun is rental lang siya and talagang either way, kung pupunta man kami, magta-travel man kami o hindi, is aalis na talaga kami because tapos na yung contract namin dun sa bahay. And meron ng ibang plan yung may-ari dun sa bahay, hindi niya napaparentahan. So, hindi yung sa pati na lang kayo bumalik or something like that. Yun lang. Pero, thank you guys. Kasi, actually, pag napapanood ko yung video na, ano mo yun, yung ginawa na, yung mga videos ko, yung mga videos namin, napapanood ko siya. Tuwa kasi, parang, somehow, ayun, tapos na kami. Malungkot. Okay na, na-overcome na namin. Masaya na ulit, tumatawa na ulit kami. And, may mga times pa rin na pabalik at babalik sa'yo. Tapos may inis ka na naman kung bakit! But, again, okay na yun kasi wala kaming masisi. Kami lang. At saka yung agency na rin. Pero, anyway, pakainin ko lang si Colette. Where do you want to eat?
I'm done.
Yeah, just hotdog and bread. And then Daddy's getting, egg. So, hotdog and bread for now. Yeah? Did you fart? Where do you want to eat? Here? Here na lang.
Here.
Welcomers. Understand?
Okay.
Stand up. Go. Yo. Here. You eat here on top. Yeah.
In this crazy life we live, we all need someone to hold, a friend to light the way when the world starts to unfold. Through all the ups and downs, the highs and lows we share, we'll stick together, ride or die. Let's show we really care. Through thick and thin.
I asked my parents to
Me too.
send us some stuff.
Oh, come see it. Oh no.
What do we have here, Cheech? Let me see. Okay, towel. Ah,
That's mine.
that's my oil. Is this on?
Toilet paper.
It's not toilet paper.
Batteries. Wait, what's it in here?
You miss Grandma?
Yeah.
Yeah?
Pillows. Something else. Aw, empty. More pillows.
About the pillow fight?
Oh, look what Grandma. Look it.
My shrub coming back.
Yay!
Thanks, Grandma.
Grandma.
This is trash? Babe?
You. Let her have you.
Yeah, squeeze it here.
Then,
Is this clean?
then what powder?
Hey guys, so we are currently applying for the visa. Fill out ang form and everything, and then hopefully ma-schedule kami for an interview as soon as possible, and then after that
You're right.
Kami ay makuha na namin yung visa.
Tummy hurt.
Your tummy hurts, so you need to poop?
Yeah.
Okay, go.
Again.
Bye, guys.
So,
Bye. Bye, Mom.
let's see. If they can that.
I think it's love.
Bye, Mommy.
Bye, Lovey.
Bye, Bye.
Bye.
Bye, Mom.
See you in a
Bye,
little
Mom.
Bye,
Bye, baby.
See you in a little bit.
See you in a bit.
Bye.
Bye.
Have
Bye.
fun. Have fun.
Have fun.
Have fun.
So, it's just me, myself, and I. Okay. So, nag-iwan siya ng kalat niya after ko maglikpit. Nice, nice. These are her clothes that I need to put there. Na meron ng laman. So, I don't know. Let's see. It's 6:30 ata. Nakapagpalit ng pajama. Pa rin yun. Matutulog na rin ako na ito. Just, we're cooking right now. I'm just gonna cook ginisang sayote. And look, may inaantok. Dad is sleeping kasi may pasok na siya mamaya. So, nag-nap siya. Kasi gigising siya. I love you, hon! And morning na naman siya matutulog. So, we're eating dinner. Tapos na si Kali kumain. Pinakain ko muna siya. Tapos si Daddy tulog pa. Nagugutom na ako kasi ano na eh, 8:30. After na ito, maliligo kami.
Ew.
Say good night, we're gonna sleep na.
We're gonna sleep now.
Say good night.
Good night.